Welcome back. Here's our objective for English Language Arts. I will be able to create sentences for my spelling words. So before we get started, just a quick little question. What do you notice? What do you wonder? And I want your opinions down here. Weather and climate, page 6, Earth's weather and climate. Now, do not read the text yet. What kind of text is this? So you're going to preview the text. You're going to take a look at the pictures, subheads, all of those things, and just see what kind of text do you think it is, and put your answer right here. What do you think you will learn about when reading this text? And put your answer right here. So I will read, or you will read paragraphs 1 through 3, and you're going to annotate by underlining the key details to find the main idea of each paragraph. Okay, so here's paragraph 1, 2, 3. Key details, put each paragraph's key details right here, and tell me the possible main idea. Now, a reminder of what a main idea is what you think the author wanted you to learn from reading that paragraph. Okay, so what was the big thing that the author, that you know that the author is like, oh, the author probably wanted me to learn, okay? So this is in your words, your main idea. Key details are directly from the text. Exactly what the text says that are key to your understanding of what is happening in the text. You guys are also going to read Weather and Climate, page 10, Blizzard Alert. I will read aloud paragraphs 1 and 2. So let me go ahead and get to that. Okay, so blizzard alert. Blizzards are severe winter storms. They can cover whole towns in a blanket of white snow. Blizzards have high winds, below freezing temperatures, and blinding snowfall. Some can last several days, depending on its size and duration. A blizzard can even affect several states. One of the worst cases in U.S. history was the Great Blizzard of 1888. On March 11 and March 12th of that year, a brutal winter storm hit the Northeast. It dumped 100 to 127 centimeters, or 40 to 50 inches, of snow on 4 states. As a result, more than 400 people died in Connecticut, Massachusetts, New Jersey, and New York. Huge snowdrifts buried houses and trains. 200 ships also sank at sea, covered by snow and tossed by fierce winds. So as I was reading, you may have noticed these words can, cover, and fierce. We're going to be talking about C, the letter C, because as you can see here, when you say can, cover, those have the hard K sound, and fierce has like an S sound. So the letter C can be pronounced with the hard K sound or with the soft S sound. There is an E after the C in the word fierce. The letter C is usually pronounced with the hard sound when it is followed by the letters A, O, or U, and is usually pronounced with the soft sound when it is followed by the letters E, I, or Y. So for instance, city. City is followed by the I. So we know that it's going to make the soft S sound because it's the E, I, or Y. City instead of kitty, right? Ice is followed by an E, so we know it has the soft S sound. Cape is followed by the A, so it has the hard K sound. Court is followed by the O, so we know that it has the hard K sound as well. City, ice, cape, court. So which column would each of these words go into? We have compared. Would that be hard C or soft C? And I want you to write the words in the appropriate column it belongs in. According. Typical. Nickel. Center. Percent. Space. So you're going to read the last paragraph of Blizzard Alert, and you're going to circle any other words that have either a hard or soft C sound. What words did you find? You're going to put them in this box down here. This week's spelling words. What do you think each mean? So I'm not asking that you look any of these words up. I want you to put your guess in these. So when you're saying fierce, what does fierce mean? I think it means something like blank, right? And so you're going to put your definition, not Google's, your guess of what each of these mean right here. So we have fierce, effect, covered, Connecticut, certain, crucial, recommended, and computers. I think all of us know what computers are, but I'd be interested to see your definition of what a computer is. So before you move on to the next slide, please do Google any words that you do not know before going on to the next slide. And you're going to type a sentence for each of the spelling words. Okay, so you have all of those spelling words there, and you're going to type a sentence for each of those. So make sure you're checking in with either Ms. Eigel or Mr. Losoya's Google Classroom to see if you have any STEAM or PE. And please do not forget your silent reading. Also, you can do more practice on Freckle, always available to you. But your reading, you could go to Get Epic or Sora, and links are available there. Also, please do not forget to click Turn In when you are done with your assignment. And I will talk to you guys later.